Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new vlog because I spent like the entire last week in making a new hair mask videos, and as you can see, the hair are really growing up. I can't wait to show it to you. It's gonna be up after this video anyway. And I had a vegan hamburger today for lunch. This is from Flower Burger. It's pink burger. It's called Cherry Bomb. I had it like this is the fourth time, I guess. It's so good. It's completely vegan and I'm completely obsessed with it. As you can see, I'm like about to make my makeup and I got a new palette and I want to show you that to you. This is the palette. This is from Certified. It's a new brand and this is called Tropical Wonders. I'm about to make a flat lace. How it looks like this. And these are the colors. This Sunray and Togan and Red Sea are like so beautiful, and Typhoon here is amazing. I think I'm going to swatch them on the arm for you, then I'm going to make a makeup video. So here I am. This is the finished makeup look. I cut the crease, I put on some gold, and yeah, it looks pretty. And you probably don't know that, guys, but I'm actually I didn't do it on purpose, but it's really Hela of Thor Ragnarok inspired. And yeah, I'm happy to announce that yes, I'm going to bring Hela to Romix, not this one, probably the October one. And I already found the costume. And I'm still searching for the massive helm headpiece, and I think I found like a shop that would do this headpiece in printed in 3D, so it will not cost so much. But I don't really care if I bring Hela also without the headpiece and with the black long wig. I'll be happy. And yeah, this makeup is so good. I'm super satisfied. Okay, I think I'm going to bring you out because the sun is almost going down. It's still time to make like a little walk. I'm sorry, I'm still showing you the makeup, but I'm so satisfied. It didn't happen so often that I'm satisfied with the makeup, but yeah, this is definitely making my day so much better. So I got these seaweed and a green detox juice. And of course at the end of the street the bottle is already empty. I'm going to Sephora right now, Kiko and MAC, just to take a look, even if I already bought everything I need. But you know, you never had too much makeup, right? This is a brand new shop, like it's super big. I think it's like an outlet. I'm on my way home, sweet home. Do you know, guys, that the Motley Crue movie is actually coming out like next week on Netflix? I'm so excited. I don't know what to think. Anyway, my battery is dying, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. See you very soon.